steer. Don't touch nothing. Keep hands inside boat. Look where you're going. Oh. Now make it straight because you're already turned. If you keep turning it, you're gonna keep turning. Once you have it straight, straighten your wheel out, honey. Okay, there you go. Good job. My permit training driver. She's just riding the wall right now. You know, you see right there, it's the wall. There we go. Now we got some room. Let's see if she don't run into the wall. There we go. Watch out, here we go. Oh, goodness gracious. Hey, don't be picking no gum from here. Yeah. I'm making a boat rock back before they nine. Watch out! Boom! There you go. Oh.
Got it?
You got it?
I got it.
What happened? You like hitting walls? Look where you're going. Hurry up, he's coming underneath us. Well, watch where you're going, honey. What do you say about the red button?
It's red.
It's recording.
Oh, I thought it was
It's got a full battery, honey. We're good to go. Oh, don't turn that way more. You're gonna flip the boat around. We're gonna be driving backwards. Yeah, go straight though.
How was it made? Nobody saw that.
I guess not. Break time. There you go. Good job. There you go. Now you're learning. Now you learn. Whoa. There's no monsters in the water.
Now we're doing it.
You say gosh darn it.
I said now we're doing it.
Well, that's a different boat. Watch where you're going, honey, please. You don't leave me looking back and waving at people when I'm driving. I'm getting accidents all day. You gotta go that way. So now you want to turn.
I'm trying to do it.
There you go. I had to get us away from the wall. Yo, gotta go straight, honey.
I know.
Straight. Okay. Sorry. Woo! High five! Oh, the arrow's pointing to the right one, so you want to go to the right hole, okay?
I know.
Sorry, I didn't know if you saw that, because you ain't looking at where you're driving. I figured you weren't looking at arrows either. No, just let it straighten out. See, going to the right hole. You better go on the right side. The other right. The red arrow. That's where you want to go. You said, I know. I thought you knew, honey. What happened?
I said it that way.
Go. Turn it.
Sorry.
Oh my, you got it, Wilkers. Yeah, fun teaching. You gotta drive, girl, huh? Oh, a boat's harder to drive than a car, right? Oh, you wouldn't know, would you?